Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today I'm unboxing the brand new iPhone Air in Space Black. I'm going to give you a close-up of the super thin, sleek design of the phone and everything Apple includes inside the box. But that's not all. I also have the iPhone 17 Pro in Cosmic Orange and Apple Watch Series 11 in Jet Black right here. I'll be unboxing these in upcoming videos, so make sure you subscribe to the channel for those. Let's get started. All right, so we've got that rubber glove treatment, and right off the bat, they made this box really thin. It's actually thinner than the iPhone 17 Pro box, but it is bigger. So it's a little bit wider like that. Well, let's not waste any time here. Let's open this up. Not much of an air gap between the phone and the side. So there it is inside the box. Pull it out here. Should I show it to you now? Wow, that's thin. And there it is, Space Black. Come back to that in a second. So USB-C to USB-C cable. Looks like your sticker packet here. No stickers anymore. And no SIM card. So keep in mind, these iPhones now are primarily eSIM in the US, now in Canada and other parts of the world. If you do get one with a SIM card, there will be a SIM card tool in here that will allow you to remove it. So let's pull this plastic back. Beautiful. Will never look this clean again. There's already dust on it. All right, I'll power it on and we'll walk around this phone. I'll show you close-ups of how thin it is and compare it to some other devices as well. So for starters, in terms of your buttons, on the right side, you still have the familiar side button or power button. You do have your camera control button right here, so you can activate your camera and things like that. On the other side, you have your action button, and then you have your volume rockers. As I said, no SIM card tray or slot. At the bottom, you have your speaker grills as well as the port for your charging and transfers via USB-C. Now on the back side, you have the 48 megapixel Fusion camera, and this is a single wide lens rear camera with the optical 2x zoom. You definitely can see the camera bump on this device. You have your flash on the right, but it definitely is thin along the sides. Moving over to the front side, you'll see the display. This is a 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR display. It's OLED with ProMotion, gives you the ability to use that always-on display. The glass surrounding the front and the back is also ceramic shield too, so you get a little bit more protection. As for the top, you have your dynamic island with the front-facing camera, and this is an 18 megapixel center stage front camera, supports dual capture video, wide framing, and group selfie features. Now, this iPhone Air is incredibly thin. Like I said, it's the thinnest iPhone Apple has ever made, and it's only 5.6 millimeters thick. The iPhone 16 Pro, for comparison, was just over 8 millimeters thick, and you can see here the difference between the two. In terms of the weight, the iPhone Air weighs just 165 grams. It feels super light, and you guys really need to go to the Apple Store and just feel and see how thin this is. It really is crazy. Like you're gonna lose it in your pocket almost, that thin. So if you're in the market for a new iPhone, you want something different than previous years, the iPhone Air is definitely one to look at. And honestly, you need to feel it and see it. Go to the Apple Store and hold it in your hand. It's crazy. And this is also one of the only iPhones that comes in black. So this is a space black. You can also get regular black with the iPhone 17s. The iPhone 17 Pros do not have black, unfortunately. One thing to keep in mind is when you purchase an iPhone like this, with it being so thin, your trade-off is you're not going to get as good battery life as you would on the other iPhones available because it is so thin. But Apple does say you should still get a full day's battery out of it, so that'll be determined as we test it out and use it. So if you want to check that out, I'll be posting videos on my channel, how it works and how it's performing. Also, you're getting full 12 gigabytes of RAM, the same RAM that's in the iPhone 17 Pro. So if you are looking for black, that's giving you the best RAM because the iPhone 17's base come with 8 gigabytes of RAM. So keep that in mind, but That is my unboxing of the iPhone Air, not the iPhone 17 Air. When I was at the Apple store this morning, everybody in line, which was really big, was calling the iPhone Air the iPhone 17 Air. So keep that in mind. Maybe Apple's going to bring out iPhone Air 2, iPhone Air 3, like they do with the iPads. And this will be a new lineup of iPhones based on thin. Let me know what you guys think of this phone. If you think you're going to purchase the iPhone Air, iPhone 17 Pro, Pro Max, or the standard iPhone 17, and also what color is your favorite. Let me know in the comments. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm happy to answer your questions and communicate in the comment section. Also, subscribe, click the bell notification box, and hit the like button so that way you're notified when I post new videos. As always, I have a full playlist of iPhone 17 tips, tricks, and tutorials in the video description so you can watch and learn and get the most out of your iPhone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.